For the past few years, we have shared dozens of recipes with you through our recorded online classes. Now, as the Bailiwick family continues to grow, our goal has always been to better serve you. So, I asked myself, is there a way to make our classes more fun and exciting? Perhaps more convenient, engaging, and interactive? So, ano nga ba ang the next big thing dito sa The Bailiwick Academy? Your classmates have been asking us to do this for a long time. That's why I'm thrilled to announce that we will be hosting our very first live virtual cooking class. This is the first of many. And hindi ito yung traditional na online class na alam mo ha. This time, it's going to be different since we will be bringing the freshest and complete ingredients right to your doorsteps. Now, how is that for a change? No need to worry about grocery shopping kasi kami na ang bahala sa'yo. So just turn on your stove and let's start cooking. But wait, there's more. Kasi we're so fortunate to have one of the industry's biggest names on board. And that is no other than Chef Him Uy de Baron. Imagine a professional chef guiding you every step of the way, giving you subtle details that you wouldn't know on your own. It doesn't matter if it's your first time cooking, if you only cook at home, if you're an expert trying something new. There's no way you want to miss out on what Chef Him has in store for you. A culinary veteran with more than 20 plus years of experience. Get ready to discover his cooking techniques and tips and his variety of cuisines, which includes Filipino, Thai, Japanese, Korean, Peruvian, even the simple street food classics. And the best part, you'll have the opportunity to get live feedback from Chef Him on your dish. But before you get too excited, there's something you need to know. This exclusive live virtual cooking class is only available to our students from Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Because, as mentioned before, every ingredient will be delivered to your home one day prior to the class. And spots are also limited to 50 people since this is going to be interactive. We want to ensure each student receives full attention and no one gets left behind. So, if nakatira ka sa Manila or malapit lang sa Manila, this is perfect for you. Please secure your spot down below while they are still available. Now, you might be wondering, considering na live and interactive yung classes, and limited pa to a few people, mahal siya. Honestly, we could have easily charged more for this one. Mga 15,000, 10,000, or ano kaya? Walaan mo, mga 8,000 kaya? Well, if you've been with us for a while, you know it's always been our goal to help you gain the confidence you need to turn your passion into profit. That's why Cook with Him won't cost you an arm and leg. A high caliber chef guiding you live, all the ingredients delivered to your door, and most importantly, a five-star recipe that will leave everyone wanting more. Lahat ng to for only 5,299 pesos. What? All of this for a price that is almost the same as our online classes? Ah, this is a no-brainer offer you don't want to miss. Now to recap, Cook with Him works like this. First, book your slot now if you're from Metro Manila or nearby provinces, and it's just limited to 50 people. Second, the ingredients will be delivered to your home one day before the event along with the instructions. Third, join us live on Google Meet using the private link that will be emailed to you a few days after joining. Now, Cook with Him is a truly unique cooking experience because not only will you learn another dish you'll be able to serve to family and friends, you'll also have the opportunity to get real-time feedback as you make delicious restaurant quality meals together with Chef Him and your classmates. Maybe you're lost and wondering if you're doing everything right. Maybe you want to add another food item or use a different ingredient without compromising the taste. Even suggestions for kitchenware if they're not available to you. All these at ang iba nyo pang mga nagbabagang tanong, you'll get the answers live. Kaya naman reserve your spot na for our next live class below. Tara na't magluto, matuto, and makipagkulitan with Chef and other bailiwickers dito sa Cook with Him.